Independent assortment. For that, the law of independent assortment indicating dihybrid cross. For this, we have to take a two traits character. The one is dominant, whereas another one is recessive. For dominant, which character we have taken means seed color, whereas another one is another trait is flower color. So we don't have that much of sources. Whatever we have got, we have taken 4 different colors. So for dominant, if you go for seed color, so seed color yellow. So I'll take this as a yellow, whereas another flower color is red. So I'll take it in the form of one is seed color, whereas another one is flower color. This both indicating dominant, whereas recessive is seed color is green, whereas flower color is white. So this is the male parent and this is the female. So these both are act as a dominant and these both act as a recessive. So from this parental we have to take a gamete. From each beaker, total how many beaker we have taken means 4 beaker. From 4 beaker we have to collect each gamete. From this we have taken one red and another one is, this is yellow, whereas this one is red and another one is seed is green. In F2 generation, this first plant will exhibit yellow and red color trait will form in the plant, whereas in the next again yellow and red. So yellow is again dominating and red is also dominating. So these two character has been expressed in the plant, whereas in third plant yellow is again dominating and red color is dominating. Yellow is the seed color, whereas red is the flower color. Both has been expressed in the F2 generation. Again if you see here, all these has been arrangement. How many have been? See here we have added all the values according to the formation of the gametes. So how many has been? How many? Clear So how many have been? Total number of plant will be 16, whereas the capital Y, capital R have been exhibited by 3. Number of the plants will be 2. This one and this one, whereas capital Y, capital R, small r exhibited by again capital Y, capital R, small r exhibited by number of plants will be again 2. Again capital Y, small y, capital R.